Welcome, and let's talk about ShibaDoge, a token that still have over 15 zeros. Remember what happened with Shiba Inu? Shiba Inu was trading almost the same zeros when someone invested a couple of thousands of dollars and make over $5.7 billion with Shiba Inu. Now imagine the combination of Dogecoin and Shiba Inu. That is the idea. Now, ShibaDoge is among the trading crypto. Look at according to CoinMarketCap. What are the trading cryptocurrency on CoinMarketCap? ShibaDoge is the number 5 trading coins at the moment. And one good thing about ShibaDoge is that this token has been listed on Hotbit, Bitmax, XT.com, LBank, and Uniswap. By the time this token will be listed on Kucoin and Get.io, some people will smile into the bank. This coin, you can buy 50 quadrillion. A $19 investment will give you over 50 quadrillion. It is trading with 15 zeros. Imagine this token start trading with 10 zeros in the next few months or few years to come. That will make you a millionaire in dollars. Even if you decide to invest just $1 in this token, you might end up making over $500,000 if this token, with the partnership that we're having and everything they plan work out. So it's not a bad idea to invest in ShibaDoge, of course, but do not invest what you cannot afford to lose. Remember, like I used to say, this is among the top trading crypto coin at the moment. People are searching about ShibaDoge, and not just that, they have over $74 million market cap, and they are currently ranked number 3,110 crypto coins with the highest market cap. So in this video, like I said before, if you want to buy, I would advise you buy ShibaDoge right now. If you can afford to buy 50 quadrillion, which is $19, you can do that. But do not invest money you cannot afford to lose. So even if you buy 1 quadrillion or 2 quadrillion, which would be at least $2 or $3, just to see what happened with this token. It's not a bad idea. A lot of people don't want what happened to Shiba Inu to happen to another person, because even if someone bought Shiba Inu $10 Shiba Inu when Shiba Inu was still trading with almost 15 zeros, that person would have made over $13 million. So that is why in this video we are talking about ShibaDoge. The name alone can create awareness. So in this video, like I said, buy ShibaDoge, but don't buy much. But just invest in ShibaDoge if you can, because this token, as I see in future, it will make a lot of people millionaires. Once again, subscribe to my channel. For what we talk here is we talk about crypto trading, we talk about crypto prediction, and how to make money online.